Welcome to our channel Rise Computer. Today I am going to discuss a particular topic is called OOPS concept in Java. So as we know, in normal board syllabus of I.C.S.E, I.S.C or C.B.S.E, we have to study Java as well as in B.C.A as well as in future master degree level we have to study the Java in details. So I am going to start from the beginning. The first chapter or preliminary chapter is known as OOPS concept. What we know? OOPS means object oriented programming. So object-oriented programming is a concept, and in future we will explain this programming by using Java as well as C++ or as well as by using Python. So first of all we have to know what is object as well as what are the properties of object-oriented programming. So as we know, object is a particular thing that has physical existence. That means a particular object has two things. One is characteristics as well as number two is behavior. All those things we will discuss in details in future. And now, what object, wherever we are going to explain object in programming, that thing is known as class. That means, theoretically, what is called object in programming, it is called the keyword class. That means basically object-oriented programming, the unit of object-oriented programming is class. Now I am going to explain or state the properties or characteristics of object-oriented programming. First of all, number one is realistic modeling. That means whatever we are going to discuss in Java or in any kind of object-oriented programming, all those things belongs to real world, 100% similarity with real world. Like suppose we are going to do a program by using car. That means car is the object and it is a real life entity. So it is the first property of object-oriented programming. Number two is a particular word is called encapsulation. That means it is a property to hide the main feature. That means to keep the security of particular software. The main feature is going to hide from the user. That means it encapsulates from the user. It is called encapsulation. In normal word, it is called to hide. Third property is called In normal word, it will say to. Abstraction means there are lots of property of particular class is present, and we are going to display one or two property to user. That means we are going to abstract some property from the group of property. That is called abstraction or the tool. Now the next one is very important. That is called inheritance. Inheritance is normally known in biology. Same thing is applied here. That is called parent-child relationship. Lots of property of parent class will be inherited to child class. Apart from that, child class has some extra property. Whenever in future we are going to discuss those property in program, you will get clear view of all the properties. And the last very important and well-known property of object-oriented programming is called polymorphism. Polymorphism states poly means many and morphism means form. That means the same object behave differently to different user at that instance of time. That means suppose the area of a rectangle, area of a square and area of a triangle is going to calculate. The same thing is going to calculate for different object. That property is called polymorphism. So all those properties are very important. You have to know in Java programming or in any kind of object-oriented programming which are related to object. Those properties you have to know and in details, and in future you have to apply by using different coding. So for the particular today, these things I am going to discuss, and now in the next future I am going to discuss the how those things is going to apply by using Java environment and which software is going to use, and you will get the clear view of it. So for those that keep on track our channel, and you can subscribe our channel, and if you think that our video is going to be useful, then you can like our videos and keep watching our videos for your future purpose. Thank you.